this is part 2 because I tried to pause it and it's recorded. It stopped. I'm an amateur. I'm an amateur at this, so please forgive me for me and my lack of camera skills. So there's this. There's the connectors, what I've had to take apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grease this up with the O-rings. I've got some grease here, silicone grease. Grease the O-rings up. Don't put too much on there because you don't want to block the holes where the water goes through. Grease these up, it'll just free it up a little bit. That's that. And then that will then go through here on the inside, facing that way. And then you got these clips, clips, whatever they call them. Put one on. Oh, it's a bit tight. And I've only got minimal tools, so just bear with me. Right, that one's on. And then I can now slide this one on. I've cleaned it up a little bit before, so you might need to just get like some paper towel and put them inside this. Put this inside this brass piece just to clean all the rubbish out in it, make it free up a bit. If worst comes to worst and they're really blocked up with anything, just use some wire wool, clean them out. But I'm not going to that extent. Safe clip. So just put that on. So now it feels a bit more free, but that weren't the case. I didn't change it for that reason. Changed it because the handle were broken. So that's the old one done. Right, now these two basically just clip together. If you just line it up. But like I says, if you do it properly, you won't have to take these apart. But sometimes you will have to, I think, if you have to break the lugs off the handle. But that'll just basically clip together. Now, in mine, which same with this one, is just 2 screws. I think they look a little bit like Allen keys. You can probably use Allen keys, but I've been using star bits. That's the, well, that one's too small. That head, I don't know which T it is. What does it say on there? Just pick up whichever one it is. And put them on. Because I had to take them out to take this apart, but I had to do that while it was in place. But I just thought about some of what I could have done. Oh, that's not going in. That's not lined up, so I'm going to take that apart. Try it again. Should do it. Don't know why. To be honest, I think they're a waste of time now. Alright, that one's tightened up a little bit. Don't over tighten them, it's only plastic. Right. So that is that. But when it goes inside handle, it'll tighten itself up anyway. Right. So then, if you see that, you can only go one way into handle, which is that way. So now, there's the cover for the connector. What I'm just going to put onto there, place it onto there first. Make sure that's all the way in. Right, there's the cover. And what I'm going to do is put the screws in. Get a flip side on them. I don't mind the electric screwdriver, but I'll just do it. There is an easier way to take the old reel off, and that is basically, if this is damaged, you can actually cut them there, which will then take it apart that way, which is a lot easier. But I didn't think about it at the time I was doing it, because I don't need to do anything with that. I can just throw that away now. So if you do need to take this reel out, best way is to probably snap that, and then it will just take it apart anyway. So that is the best advice I can give you. Anyway, so basically that's that, yeah. So now the handle, which was the pin in the back side to get out, will now go inside here, line it up, and then clip in like that. So now that's how it works. So basically now, which I will do a part 3, is putting this handle with the reel on the machine. So I will do that right now. So this is the end of part 2. I will then do part 3, which is putting the handle, putting the reels in, connecting it all up, and then basically I'm not going to test it out, but obviously you can do that when you do it. Alright, so that's that, end of that.